Welcome children. Now we can see about cybercrime. Before going to that time, first we can see about what is the confidentiality of information. Confidentiality of information ensures that only authorized users get access to sensitive information from the system. Only authorized person should able to access the sensitive data or protected data from the system. Now we can see how we can provide confidentiality for information. Confidentiality of information can be maintained by observing certain things. What are they? The first one, encrypt the data and limit the place where it might appear. You can encrypt the data. When you save your password, you can encrypt it. Don't save the original password, just save it as an encrypted data. Second one, use firewall wherever possible. You have to set, you have to enable, every system has the firewall is there, you have to enable the firewall. Controlling the browser setting to block the tracking. You can set, I told you, we can set the browser settings, browser security settings. So same way, control the browser settings to block tracking. And you can privately browse the data. Use incognito mode to browse the data or browse the websites. And the next point, ensure safe site while entering crucial information. When you are entering if you want to enter some personal information, check it is a proper site or not. The site is proper, then you can enter the crucial information. Ensure that address contain HTTPS and padlock sign. Check the address bar whether HTTPS is there or not. It will be a secure site. So check it as HTTPS. And the next one, carefully handle the emails. Carefully handle the emails and avoid the use of public computers. These are the different ways you can save or protect the information. You can keep the confidentiality of the information. Now, what do you mean by cybercrime? Cybercrime means any criminal activity that is facilitated by using the electronic medium is known as a cybercrime. Any criminal activity that is done by using an electronic medium, it is known as a cybercrime. What are the different types of cybercrimes? The first one, cyber troll. The first one is cyber troll. Cyber trolling means it's an internet term for a person who intentionally starts argument or upset others by posting inflammatory remarks about anything. See that cyber trolling is an internet term for a person who intentionally start argument or upset others by posting some remarks. That is known as cyber troll. Second one is cyberbullying. These are the different types of cybercrime. Next one is cyberbullying. It is an attack on individual or group through the use of electronic means, such as sending instant messages or some type of messages you are posting in social media, or different types of emails, sending different types of emails or other forms of online communication. There is another type of cyberbullying. Sorry, another type of cybercrime. So there is cyberbullying. It is an attack on individual or group of people through the use of electronic means, such as sending different types of messages, posting different types of images or different types in social media, or sending different types of emails. These are known as cyberbullying. Next is cyber stalking. Cyberstalking means it's the use of internet or other electronic means to harass an individual or group or an organization. By using electronic means, you are harassing others. That is known as cyberstalking. All these are the similar terms. See that it may include false accusation or defamation or slander. A stalker may be an online stranger or a person whom the target knows. That is known as cyber stalking. And next we can say what is cyber forensic. Cyber forensic means it's an electronic discovery technique to determine and reveal the technical criminal evidence. Using electronic media, criminal evidence are detecting. That is known as cyber forensic. It is an electronic discovery technique used to determine and reveal the technical criminal evidence. It's known as cyber forensic. So these are the different types of cybercrime. So one is cyber troll, next one is cyber bullying, cyber stalk, and these are the different types of cyber crimes. Okay? Cyber stalk, cyber forensic is not a cyber crime. It is a technique used to determine and reveal the criminal evidence. Now we can see what is IT Act. It is Information Technology Act, which is an act of Indian Parliament notified in 2000. It is a primary law in India dealing with cybercrime. IT Act is the primary law that is dealing with cybercrime. Now we can see appropriate use of social media. What are the rules to be followed while working with social media? These are the general terms we should follow when you use your social medias. Do not give or post any personal information in social media. Never give out your passwords to anybody. Add only those people as friends to your page whom you know in real life. These are the things you know that. Delete all unwanted messages and inappropriate comments. Do not share your personal information through social media. Regularly check your privacy settings of the social media. Properly update the softwares. Be careful about the spams. So that means unwanted mails. So these are the basic things about cybercrime. Okay children, next topic we can study in the next class.